In today's episode, we'll look into 6 important tips to grow a beautiful Bermuda lawn grass by germinating lawn grass seeds within 3 days. And we'll also enlighten you with important information about some online and offline lawn grass seed scams that can help you protect from these scams and save your precious money. Please watch it till the end. Having a beautiful, lush green lawn is every gardener's dream. It really makes your home and garden landscape look beautiful. We would all like to have that best looking perfect lawn, but it's not always easy to achieve. In today's episode, we'll show you step by step how to grow lawn grass seeds successfully from seeds without the need of hiring a landscape designer and stuff like that. Whether you want to fill a bare spot in your lawn or grow a brand new lawn grass from the scratch, please watch this video till the end as it might surprise you with lots of useful tips and tricks. Let's begin. At number 1, type of lawn grass seeds. This is the first important step where most inexperienced gardeners and homeowners get deceived while purchasing grass seeds. There are many different grass species which thrive in different climates. Like there are cool season grasses which grow best when temperatures are 60 to 75 degree Fahrenheit, and warm season grasses which thrive from late spring through summer. You can check the packet instructions and labels for this info. Well, some of the common grass types to mention are Bermuda grass or doob grass, buffalo grass, bent grass, ryegrass, and so on. In this context, I would like to highlight you this important lawn grass seed scam mostly going on online, even at big websites like Amazon. Some sellers list it out as Bermuda grass, and the seeds you receive are some millet seeds like foxtail millet seeds or the cattle fodder grass seeds, which are actually very cheap. These type of seeds are usually fed as budgie food grains, but they are selling it as Bermuda grass seeds. You must know how to identify the proper seeds before planting and avoid these type of scams. These are mostly non-returnable items, and also Amazon does not publish negative reviews when we try reporting these fake items. We'll grow these fake seeds in one container and the genuine Bermuda grass seeds in another container as well as over the lawn area, and then show you the results in the end. At number 2, preparing the ground and soil. This is very important step, and you should know that the tender roots of young grass plants will not grow well in compacted soils. Choose the location you want to grow lawn grass, whether it's your front patio or your backyard. Optionally, you may also have to level the ground surface by adding some loose soil over the lawn area days before planting your lawn grass. Well, firstly, loosen the top 2 to 3 inches of the soil. If it's a small area, you can use a hand cultivator, or if it's a large area, you can dig with a shovel or hoe. After digging, you need to rake it smooth to break up any soil clods and rake the soil out into fine particles. Then you need to water the area thoroughly before planting seeds, because damp soil encourages speedy germination and provides immediate moisture to the emerging roots. At number 3, planting the grass seeds. For home gardens, you can just use your hand to distribute the seeds, flinging it out over the area. Spread them out evenly over the soil surface, neither too crowded nor too sparse. At number 4, covering the seeds. After the seeds are sown, covering them is very much important to protect them from birds and also preventing them from washing away in a heavy rain. You can just use plain soil to cover the grass seeds after planting, but the best thing to do is to use a mixture of soil and a water-retaining stuff like coco peat or peat moss to cover them. Like 50% soil and 50% coco peat, and optionally compost like decomposed cow dung or vermicompost. You can mix all 3 in equal proportions or add at least some 20% compost. Cover the seeds evenly with this soil peat mix to about 1/4 of an inch, but never more than 1/2 inch. At number 5, watering. This is most important step for germination. Keep the top layer of the soil moist but not soggy. Too much water is as bad as too little. And avoid vigorous watering with a hose and stuff like that, as this could wash the seeds away. A misting or shower attachment on your watering hose can cut down on the amount of force you use. Till germination, water at least once a day early in the morning, and depending on the climate, again in the afternoon if the sun and the wind have dried out the soil. But once the grass seeds germinate and begin to grow, reduce the frequency of irrigation but water more deeply. Once your new grass is about 2 inches tall, reduce your watering schedule to twice or thrice a week depending on the climate, but water until the ground is wet down to a depth of about 3 inches. At number 6, germination. We'll show you the results of seeds grown in containers as well, including the fake Bermuda grass or the fodder grass seeds. Germination should begin within a week depending on the type of grass seeds. In my case, you can see germination has happened within 3 days. On the 3rd day, you can see these cute tiny grass seedlings popping out. You can check the results in these containers as well. Now on day 5, this one is the result for genuine Bermuda grass. And this one is the fake Bermuda grass seeds. Just look at the grass blades and spot the difference. The fake fodder grass has wider leaves. Then you can see the results after 1 week in containers and the ground. The whole area should appear green in about 2 weeks' time. We'll make another detailed episode on how to take care of lawn grass, like fertilizing lawn grass, trimming lawn grass and stuff like that. Please like, share and comment below with your feedback and queries. Happy gardening!